Hello and welcome to this weather update. It is October 13th, 2018, around 10:30 a.m. And I'm going to go. I first want to start off with talking about Hurricane Michael and just the ongoing disaster that they are going through there in Panama City. This is a satellite image from October the 9th, and I just want to advance this to show you the track of Hurricane Michael, show you how it moves. So there it goes on October 10th, moving over the Florida Panhandle. There it is, and you can see, look, it's inland, and look, you still have that well-defined eye. And this is where it hit. It hit right around Panama City, went inland into the Florida Panhandle, caused damage well inland, widespread damage. But the hardest hit area was Panama City, Mexico Beach. These places they were practically wiped off the map. Everything is destroyed. All the trees, all the buildings, all the power lines, everything. And it's going to be many, many years. We don't even know if these areas are going to get rebuilt because the destruction is so complete. And unfortunately, 14 people have lost their lives. And there'll probably be even more that death toll is probably going to rise. People are getting rescued. People are trapped. There's still no communication. There's no communication. People don't know how to communicate with each other. It's a complete disaster, and this whole area, everybody needs to be evacuated out of. Because it's going to be uninhabitable for many, many years. And can you imagine that happening here? So it could happen to any of us, and that's the scary thing of it. But anyway, if you can help out, donate to the Red Cross. If you find financially well or off, I would definitely urge you to do that, so it can help these people because they are going to need help finding new places to live. Because we're talking literally a whole city, Panama City, wiped off the map. A whole city, like thousands of people. All right, it's crazy. Anyway, all right. So this is Michael on October the 10th. We'll move it along. We'll take a look at it on October 11th. You can see how much it moved already, and because it got picked up into the jet stream, there it is over North Carolina, and there it is yesterday, October the 12th, and it moved out very quickly after some heavy rain overnight, and then we just had a nice clear day afterwards. So let's take a look at the tropics here, because we have Hurricane Leslie that's out there that we need to talk about. Actually, that's not what I want to do right now. All right, here's Hurricane Leslie. It's a Category 1 hurricane, 75-mile-an-hour winds, and it's heading for Spain. Spain is going to get a hurricane. That is really, I don't think that's ever happened before. Wow. So Spain is about to get a hurricane, and it's racing. It's definitely gotten picked up now, and it's moving east-northeast at 38 miles an hour, maximum sustained wind 75 miles an hour. And because of this rapid movement, it is going to hit Spain probably as a hurricane. Actually, no, this is Portugal. I'm sorry. This is Portugal. Portugal is going to get a hurricane. It looks like it's heading right for Lisbon. Unbelievable. I don't think that's ever happened before. All right, let's take a look at the satellite imagery of it. Waiting for it to load. You can see it's moving. Look at that, racing. It is weakening, but Portugal is going to really deal with some really rough, very unusual, extremely unusual. With Leslie, at least, is finally getting out of the picture after hanging around for weeks and weeks. Anyway, let's get to our weather here. Let's talk about the rain. So let's take a look at the rainfall that fell yesterday across our area. Not record-breaking rainfall, not for most of us anyway. But parts of eastern Connecticut got a lot of rain. It's over 2 inches in Middlesex County, over 2 inches in Madison, over 2 inches in New London. Northwest New Jersey even got a lot of the heavy rain. We got a little. I think the rain was a little heavier than we thought. A little more of that moisture from Tropical Storm Michael, or post-Tropical Storm Michael, got into our area, and cause some of these higher rainfall amounts. I'm going to go over Long Island because this is where the higher amounts occurred. Nassau County, Mattanock, 2.76, Thomaston, 2.76, 2.52 in Hicksville. There was a band that actually set up over the North Shore. And actually, the North Shore actually wound up getting some more rain than the South Shore because of that, which I wasn't expecting. Queens, 1.80 inches. But by far the really high amounts were in Suffolk County. There, 3.94 inches in Sayville. It's almost 4 inches of rain. Bayshore, 3.74. Oakdale, 3.69. Blue Point, 3.49. Brightwaters, 3.29. 1 mile northwest of Babylon, 3.25. West Gilgo Beach State Park, 3.22. So it looks like the high Islip 2.96. The highest amounts fell over the South Shore of Suffolk County, and I don't see any from out east as far as. Oh yeah, there's Montauk here, 0.2 and 0.64. So we originally thought that the East End would get more of the highest numbers, but it was actually the South Shore of Suffolk County. It's just a matter of where that band set up. It almost like the structure of it was almost like a nor'easter almost. We had these bands of just heavy precipitation set up. So I want to look at the statement from the other office, which is Philadelphia. We're going to look at that. Here is Delaware. So Delaware, look at some of these numbers out of Delaware. Sussex County, by Dagsboro, 5.47 inches. So they really got nailed. Dewey Beach, 4.32 inches. Rehoboth Beach, 3.52 inches. I'm looking for this is Delaware. Let's look at Maryland. Tuckahoe, 4.52 inches. I don't see anything from Salisbury, Maryland in here. That's weird. Just curious what Salisbury got at Ocean City. They don't have that in here. They don't have a reading from that area. 4.19 inches at St. Michael's. So generally, a lot of rain they got. They got the highest amounts. But New Jersey also. Oh my God, look at some of these numbers from New Jersey are actually higher than Delaware. So, yeah, Atlantic County, Hamilton, 4.52 inches. Estelle Manor, 4.24 inches. Egg Harbor City, 4 inches of rain. Wow, Atlantic City, but the airport only got 2.73. So, again, it was highly dependent on where you were as far as what the number would be. But look at Burlington County, by 2 miles southeast of Red Lion, 6.52 inches. 2 miles southeast of Southampton Township, 6.52 inches. Look at all these numbers. It's crazy. New Ratneth, now it's a little lower, 3.626 inches. Camden County. Look at Cape May County. Cape May Harbor, 3.64. Wildwood Crest, 3.51. Wow, that's insane. Some of these numbers. Piney Hollow in Gloucester County, 4.47 inches. So yeah, southern New Jersey really got hit harder almost than Delaware. And look, even as far north as Monmouth County, Fairhaven, 4.37. Seagirt, 4.09. 2 miles southwest of Long Branch, 3.98. Wow. Alair Airport, 3.12. Let's go to Ocean County. Oh, wow. Look at some of these numbers from Ocean County. 10 miles northeast of Bass River State Forest, 5.57 inches. Barnegat Inlet, 4.26. Whiting, 3.88. Lakehurst, 3.39. Berkeley Township, 3.29. I'm looking for Tom's River, 3.07. So yeah, around 3 inches of rain, but some areas got up to 5 inches. So Michael is still causing havoc, even miles and miles away, with all this rainfall, and it definitely resulted in some flash flooding over there. I'm not going to go over the numbers from Pennsylvania, but wow, that is definitely impressive. Impressive for sure. The other thing I want to go over is the wind gusts. We have wind gust reports from our area. Nothing too impressive really to read here. Most gusts were in the 30s, 40s. But out in Suffolk County, Great Gull Island had a gust of 50. So there was some wind gusts, but it really wasn't that windy. It was more about the rain yesterday than anything else. That's for sure. So let's look at the Ventu sky right now. So it's a very cool morning, and yesterday was very cool after the rain. If we go and we look at yesterday, I'm going to actually, I think we can go to, yeah, I can take this back. Let's take this back to the 12th. Show you yesterday. So yesterday around this time, 10 a.m., it was already cooling off. You can see the circulation from Michael. Temperatures were already dropping, and so were the dew points. Yesterday, the dew points were very low. We take a look at the dew points, you'll see that dew points had already dropped into the 40s and continued to drop throughout the day. After all that heavy rain in the morning, it cleared out quick, and we had a beautiful day. And a really nice day with low dew points in our area. But anyway, let's go look at the computer models here. Shift gears, look at the computer models, and see what the future brings. Now, we have a little light rain around this morning. That's moving out, and we're going to have high pressure built back into the area later tonight into tomorrow with very cool temperatures. So we got that high building in, and we're in pretty much a cool pattern now. With this big high pressure system building in Thursday, Friday, we could have some really nice weather again, clear weather, and then look at that, another plunge of cool air around Monday and Tuesday. So finally, it looks like we have a pattern change, and this pattern change is sticking around, and we're finally in the kind of cool flow from Canada that we've been waiting for so long, and we're finally in it. So let's go change. Let's go to our regions here and look at the temperatures. We'll take a look at the temperatures, and you'll see they will be cool. Alright, so here we are today, Saturday. Highs are only going to be in the 50s today, and for tomorrow, warms up a little bit to the low 60s, and then Monday, we're going to warm up a little more ahead of a cold front. The temperatures are going to warm up to close to 70 degrees. But then it cools down again for Tuesday, 50s, 60s for Wednesday. Thursday, only 40s. So we're going to really have some cool, very cool weather now. We finally have the shift in the pattern we needed to cool things off. 40s, we're going to be below normal, actually. And look at some of these readings below freezing in certain areas. So the leaves are definitely going to start changing now, and it definitely is. And of course, the dew point, to go along with these low temperatures, we'll have low dew points too. So the humidity is gone. The humidity is not coming back. It'll try to a little bit on Monday. Dew points will probably maybe be in the low 60s, but that's as high as they're going. And now look at some of these dew points. Dew points in the teens. Wow. Dew points in the teens and 20s. Wow. So we're finally going to get, look at this. Wow, we're finally going to get in to some really beautiful air just in time for the leaves to change. So I think that's excellent. Excellent news to see. So anyway, that's going to conclude this weather update, and hopefully you were able to enjoy the weather yesterday, and hopefully that's it. The end. No more summer. Summer is gone, and the humidity is gone, and you can say hello to fall and eventually winter. And boy, I tell you, I am so happy that finally the summer from hell is officially over. Thank you for watching.